Hey there YouTube, this is Mel out at Mel's Place. Got a little short project today. I can't tell where it's leaking now, but it's 80 degrees today. I think it might be evaporating as quick as it's leaking, but we've got a gasket on our float bowl, or excuse me, sediment bowl here that's leaking most of the time, and I finally got one, and we're going to see if we can't get it put in. I can't really record and reach all this at the same time. International do a good job of hiding this where it's hard to reach, but we're going to get in here, cut this fuel valve off. Alright, well, I figured out a trick to this. I took a flare nut wrench, and you can reach in there and hook that valve and turn it and actually get something done. So I'm going to have to remember that trick next time around. Next thing we got to do is go under here and loosen this nut right here. And I had it off the other day, so I think, yep, it's going to come off with my hand. And as you can see, I have gas running all over the place. That bowl's loose. Once it gets that way, we can, got some sediment in there. Probably need to work on that a little bit too. Alright, so the next thing we've got to get to, I'm going to take this carriage off so that I don't beat it down and drop it in the ground or something here. We've got to get this gasket here out, and oh man, no wonder she was leaking. Oh, it's in bad shape. Not just in bad shape, but it's coming out in pieces. I'm not even sure I've got all of it out of there. There it is. There's no way it was. I might have another leak, but this was definitely one of them. Alright, so here's what was left of that gasket I got out of there. It appears to be a quart gasket, which is what I've got to replace it. Also, here's what's left of my filter screen. So I guess I'll do without it for a few days, but I'll have to get one of those to put in there. That's obviously not filtering much of anything anyway. But over here we've got our new gasket all ready to go, so I'm going to get that in there here. Alright, so we've got her in there, a little low spot there. I think though when we get the bowl on her, she'll squeeze on up. Alright, so I'm going to get my hanger, bracket, I don't know exactly what you would call it here, back up in my, on the bottom of my tank. I got my bowl cleaned out pretty well. When I pull that screen off, I'm gonna find some solvent and stuff to do a little better job of getting it clean. And then you point out what I'm trying to take video of here. If we can't get everything lined back up here. Alright, the other thing I wanted to do today led me to discovering why she wasn't leaking on me. I doubt y'all can see that in there, but she's empty. I guess it leaked out. I didn't leave much in it anyway. I try not to put much in it because I know the leaking is there. But I've got a gasket here to replace this one in the fuel cap. It's when there is a full tank of fuel and you slosh a little, or hit the bumps just right, she'll slosh out. So I got that. It was $1 or $2 at the same place I got the gasket for the sediment bowl. So we're going to flip that or switch that out so that maybe we can keep it from sloshing out on us. Well, when I tried to pop it out, it did just exactly what that other gasket in there did. The 71 model. I believe 71. I'd have to look the numbers up again. 140 here, and I'm going to guess that this is the first time, if ever, or that this has not ever been changed, rather, on this tractor. Upbringing out here on us. I guess I should have gotten a screwdriver to do this with. It would have been a little easier on me. But there's that one. There's the new one. So hopefully this will work a lot better. Should have done this before I replaced it. But first thing I noticed for sure is there's actual tension. When you put the cap on and turn it, you can feel it grab. That's got to be better. Alright, I've made a mess. I apparently didn't get that gasket seated when I did this the first time. Or the second time. First time there's a bunch of trash. Not trash, piece of the old gasket was in there. Thought I got it cleaned out. Second time I don't think I got the bowl seated squarely. So let's see what we got this time. I think that's good that it's not running out now because it's sealed up. My memory of this one is that if it's not running, that bowl will sit empty like that. Let's go crank her up and see what happens. Alright, let's see. Maybe I got her this time. Double check that out of gear there. Can we get in there too? It looks like we can. There she goes. Alright, we got our bowl full. Let's see what she does this time. Well, I took her out, pulled another row or two in the garden, drove it up the road a bit, came back. Everything that should be dry is, I think I might have got it. Thanks for watching YouTube. Like and subscribe if you feel like it. See you next time here at Mel's Place.